What's up, YouTube? Quick update. I'm gonna try to knock out the clutch install. I got a new concentric slave, the Jim Wolf kit. I think it uses a concentric from a T56. I got the Z1 Mild Street. I don't know. It's a medium weight flywheel, unsprung single disc, pressure plate, throw-up bearing, stainless steel clutch line. So I'm gonna move this thing out to the street so it's nice and flat because I don't want to kill myself in the driveway. And Ricky's upstairs sleeping. So whenever he wakes up, he'll come join me and help me out. But I'm gonna get started and hopefully get it ready for the trans to come out by the time he's ready to wake up. Tired. It's windy again. Typical Vegas, always windy. And the sun's out, so it should be nice weather, but hopefully the car doesn't get blown off the jack stands later. And the trash is outside, so it's super loud. Alright, I'm gonna get started. What's up? So I think we're up an adequate amount of space. From what I remember from doing this on my G35 was there's a lot of extraneous things that have to happen. There's O2 sensor clips that have to come off, the harness needs to be disconnected. There's a lot of stuff. So I'm going to start with pulling all the harness brackets, all the brackets off. And then I'm going to drop the Y pipe. I'm going to put my test pipes on now too, so I'm going to take the cats off. So I'm going to do all of that first. So Y pipe, cats, get that all out of my face. And then I'll do the rear of the drive shaft to slide the drive shaft out. And once the transmission is stripped basically, I'll go up into the car, do the shifter. Once the drive shaft's out, I'll take the bottom 10 mil out of the shifter linkage. And that should be it for the transmission. Then just bell housing and needs to be dropped out. So I'm gonna get started on that right now. And hopefully Ricky is awake by the time I'm ready to pull the trans. I have the speed sensitive steering solenoid delete kit. I don't even know how to get to that, but I guess it's right there. Have to get fancy with getting to that, because that looks like it's a bitch to get to. I don't even see how you could put a tool on it. Maybe you just manhandle it off. Cool. Let's go. Guys. Alright, so many hours later, kind of a disaster. Trans is out. New Jim Wolf concentric is in. The clutch is in, but I'm not going to get underneath the car right now because we're going to try to get the transmission back in the next like 30 minutes. So just a quick update. Not really a good video, but just giving you guys some updates on the build. I'm exhausted. I got metal in my eye. My shoulder hurts.
Don't use bread.
Don't use bread to get out of pilot bushing. Just go to AutoZone and get the pilot bushing puller. Okay, so I don't know where I left off yesterday. I basically blacked out in frustration. But here we go again. About to get it up in the air. Got to finish. We got the clutch back in, or the transmission. Clutch is in, transmission's in. drive shaft's in. We had to button everything up because I had plans with the wife. So getting back to it today. I'm exhausted. I'm already out of breath. Starting with the shifter, I just put the shifter in the car inside. Just need to do the little bolt on the bottom. I think it's a 12 mil. So that's gonna happen. And then I gotta put fluid in the clutch because all the clutch fluid dripped out on the floor last night. So that was fun.
The car.
Thanks.
Looks nice as fuck.
So got some fans in the neighborhood. But yeah, so fluid, shifter. Might do my coils today. Coils came in yesterday, so that's fun. But I'll try to do some videoing here and there. I'm really trying to get this done. I don't want to do this all day again. So if I don't record things, my bad.
Great story. Compelling and rich.